I'm super pumped about today's video because we're going to dive into a topic that's blowing up right now: how you can make $20,000 per month with ChatGPT. Yes, you've heard that right. Whether you're someone looking to start a side hustle or you're aiming to replace your full-time income, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage AI, specifically ChatGPT, to earn some serious cash.
I also placed the link to my #1 recommendation for making money with AI below this video.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified on future video. Now, this isn't just one of those get-rich-quick things. What I'm going to talk about are practical, proven ways you can use ChatGPT to generate income every single month. And if you're wondering, is $20,000 per month realistic? Yes, it absolutely is. But like anything worthwhile, it takes strategy, execution, and a little bit of hustle. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's break it down. Number 1, freelance writing with ChatGPT. Let's start with something simple but highly effective: freelance writing. ChatGPT is an absolute game changer when it comes to content creation. You can use this AI to help you write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and even email marketing campaigns. Imagine you're a freelance writer and you're getting paid anywhere from $50 to $500 per article, depending on the client and the complexity of the piece. Normally, writing a 1,500-word article could take hours, but with ChatGPT, you can cut that time in half or even less. You can generate drafts quickly, then go in and fine-tune them to match the client's voice or the specific requirements they have. This means you can take on more clients, produce more content, and ultimately make more money. The best part? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are filled with businesses looking for content creators. You can charge anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 a month, depending on how much work you take on. And with ChatGPT assisting you in the background, you'll be able to handle a larger workload without burning out. So, if you love writing and want to scale it up, ChatGPT can help you hit that $20,000 per month mark in no time. Number 2, social media management and content creation. Next up, let's talk about social media management. Every business these days needs a social media presence, but not every business has the time to keep up with it. That's where you come in. With ChatGPT, you can create content calendars, write social media posts, and even brainstorm creative ideas for engagement. Let's break it down. Imagine you're managing social media for 5 to 10 clients, and each client is paying you between $500 and $2,000 per month to handle their Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter accounts. That adds up quickly. With ChatGPT, you can generate social media captions, create ad copy, or even script out entire campaigns. You could also use AI to come up with engaging ideas like polls, challenges, and interactive posts that will drive traffic and engagement for your clients. On top of that, you can offer additional services like graphic design, which you can outsource or create templates for using tools like Canva. By combining AI with your social media skills, you can easily charge anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 a month, depending on the size of your client base and the scope of services you offer. Number 3, start a content subscription service. Now, this is where things get interesting. One of the fastest growing trends right now is content subscription services. People are willing to pay for high quality, exclusive content that provides value, whether that's through newsletters, digital magazines, or online communities. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to create your own subscription service. Let's say you're an expert in a specific niche, whether it's personal finance, fitness, digital marketing, or even self-development. You can use ChatGPT to help you write daily or weekly newsletters, ebooks, or even video scripts that you share exclusively with your subscribers. The beauty of this model is that once you create the content, it can be reused and repurposed. So if you have 1,000 subscribers paying you $20 per month, you're already making $20,000. And the best part? The content creation process is much quicker and easier with ChatGPT. You can focus on growing your audience, engaging with your community, and providing value, while AI handles a significant portion of the heavy lifting. If you're serious about making $20,000 per month, this is one of the most scalable ways to do it. Once you have the right content strategy in place, you can keep growing your subscriber base and watch the income roll in. Number 4, YouTube script writing. Speaking of content, let's talk about YouTube. You might not know this, but YouTube script writing is a highly profitable business, especially if you're good at it. Tons of YouTubers out there need help with writing scripts for their videos, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. This is where ChatGPT comes in. You can use AI to help you generate engaging and informative scripts quickly. Whether the content is educational, entertainment-focused, or product reviews, you can leverage ChatGPT to create polished scripts for YouTubers. Let's do some quick math. If you're charging between $300 and $1,000 per script and working with 10 to 15 clients each month, you could be making $3,000 to $15,000 a month. Not bad, right? On top of that, you can offer package deals like writing 5 scripts per month for a set fee. This is an area where AI really shines because it allows you to pump out content consistently, keep your clients happy, and scale your business to hit that $20,000 per month target. Number 5, e-commerce copywriting and product descriptions. E-commerce is booming, and with so many products hitting the market every day, businesses are constantly in need of product descriptions that stand out. This is where you can use ChatGPT to your advantage. You can offer e-commerce copywriting services where you help online stores write compelling product descriptions that drive sales. You can target platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy sellers who are looking to improve their product listings. By providing SEO-friendly and conversion-focused descriptions, you can help them rank higher and sell more products. Here's the kicker: many of these businesses have hundreds or even thousands of products, meaning they need descriptions for all of them. With ChatGPT, you can streamline the process and deliver high-quality descriptions faster than ever. If you take on multiple clients and charge between $100 and $500 per product description package, you can easily pull in $5,000 to $12,000 per month. The more clients you have, the closer you get to that $20,000 mark, all with the help of ChatGPT. Number 6, start an AI-powered digital marketing agency. This one's a biggie. If you're serious about making $20,000 per month, starting an AI-powered digital marketing agency could be your golden ticket. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve their online presence, and with ChatGPT, you can offer services like content creation, SEO optimization, social media management, email marketing, and even ad copywriting. The key here is scaling. You can use ChatGPT to handle the bulk of the content creation and strategy work, allowing you to take on more clients without needing a massive team. By automating certain tasks and focusing on delivering value, you can charge premium rates. Let's say you have 5 clients, each paying you $5,000 per month for a full-service digital marketing package that includes content, SEO, and social media. You're already making $25,000. And with the power of AI, you're able to deliver results without burning out. This is how many agencies are scaling quickly and hitting those $20,000 plus monthly revenue targets. Number 7, online course creation. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about online courses. This is one of the most scalable ways to make money using ChatGPT. If you have expertise in a specific area, whether it's digital marketing, personal development, coding, or even cooking, you can create an online course and sell it to thousands of people. ChatGPT can help you write the course content, script the lessons, and even generate quizzes or study guides for your students. Once the course is created, it becomes a passive income stream. You can sell it on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even directly on your own website. Here's how you hit that $20,000 per month target. Let's say you create a course and sell it for $200. If you sell 100 courses in a month, you're already at $20,000. And the beauty of online courses is that once they're created, they can be sold over and over again with little additional effort. By leveraging ChatGPT to create high-quality content efficiently, you can scale this business model quickly. Plus, You can offer additional services like coaching or consulting, which only increases your income potential. So, there you have it. Those are some of the best ways to make $20,000 per month using ChatGPT. Whether you're into content creation, digital marketing, or building your own products, the opportunities are endless. The power of AI makes it easier than ever to scale your business, take on more clients, and ultimately earn more money. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.